Unlocking the mystery of closet configurations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that may sound a bit technical at first: closet configuration. Whether you're designing a new home or simply looking to understand English terms related to home organization better, you're in the right place. Let's explore together what this phrase means and why it might be more important than you think. The term closet configuration refers to the layout or arrangement of storage spaces within a closet. This can include shelves, rods, drawers, and other organizing systems designed to store clothes, shoes, and accessories. It's all about making the best use of space and ensuring everything has its place. There are several types of closet configurations to suit different needs and spaces. Some of the most common include walk-in closets. Large closets that you can walk into, often with extensive shelving, hanging space, and sometimes even an island in the center. Reach-in closets. Smaller closets with sliding, bifold, or standard doors. The configuration here is crucial to maximize space. Wardrobes. Freestanding closets that can offer a variety of configurations, especially in rooms without built-in closet space. Understanding these types can help you determine what might work best for your space or what you might prefer in a future home. A well-thought-out closet configuration can significantly impact daily life. Here's why it matters. Saves time. An organized closet makes it easier and faster to find what you need. Maximizes space. Proper configuration can make even small closets surprisingly spacious. Reduces clutter. With everything in its place, your space feels cleaner and more inviting. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of closet configuration and why it plays a key role in home organization. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply dreaming about your ideal closet, remember that the right configuration can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips.